With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, the question is, a microscope is used to resolve two self-luminous objects separated by a distance of 5 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter and placed in. What should be the minimum magnifying power of the microscope in order to see that resolved image of the object? The resolving power of the eyes is 1.5. The least distance of distinct is 25 centimeter. So here the microscope often resolved to self-luminous objects separated by the distance also given. Then the resolving power from the eye also given. Then least distance of the distinct vision also given. So here M equal to separation resolved by eyes. So the separation resolved by eye divided by separation to resolved by micro. Separation to resolved by micro. So the angular limit of the resolution by eye equal to 1.1 degree phi dash equal to 1.5 divided by 6.0 1.5 divided by 60 into 5 by 180 radius. So the linear limit by the eye resolution equal to 25 into 1.6 divided by 60 into 3.14 divided by 180. So the limit of the resolution of micro 1.09 into 10 power 2 centimeter equal to M equal to, so the resolution of the micro equal to, we get 5 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. So M equal to 1.09 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 5 equal to 218. So approximately we get 220. Then 220 is the correct option here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.